What's up everybody, Paul Hickey here with your data-driven daily tip. Today I'm going to walk you through the 4-step process to setting up a Google GSuite account, business email account for your business. Let's jump right into it. So the step number 1 is go to gsuite.com and you're going to type in your business name and select the number of employees that you have. And then once you type in your business name and select the number of employees that you have, you are going to put in your contact information. So first name, last name, current email address. That'll be a different email address than the one that you're about to use for your business GSuite. So it'll probably be a personal email address. And then it'll ask you to essentially select your domain. So here's where you need to pay attention. Does your business have a domain? If you already have one that you want to use, select I already have one I can use. If you don't have the one, if you don't own the one that you want to use yet, click no, I need one. I'm going to click yes, I have one I can use, because 9 times out of 10, maybe even 9.9 times out of 10, we're dealing with a situation where you already have your domain name, you have the website, you just haven't set up your business email yet. It's going to ask you to type in your domain name and then click the blue next step button. So you type in your domain name, click next step. And then once you click next step again, it's going to take you to put in your username. So this is where you can put your first name or info or whatever you want that primary first email account to be. And then you'll select your password. So you type in your password, go through the CAPTCHA, I am not a robot. And then once it verifies this, it's going to ask you to sign into the admin console. And then it's going to ask for a phone number. So you're going to type in a phone number to verify again that you're a human being. Type in your phone number and then you'll get a verification text message from Google. You'll type that in, accept the terms for your new account, and then you will click next. You'll get a free 14-day trial, but then it's going to ask you to check out. So you'll accept the terms, select the payment that you want each month, and then you will enter in your credit card information, and that is step 1 of setting up a company email account for GSuite. Okay, you're not done yet. Here's step 2. Your GSuite account has been created, but you have to continue to set it up. So you'll click the blue continue to set up button, and now what you have to do is determine if you want to add anyone else's email addresses. You can do it now, but don't worry, you can do that later. So we're going to kind of skip this step. What you really need to do is verify your domain. And so there's a bunch of different ways to verify your domain. You can set up a TXT record if you can't find your domain provider. But the good thing about GSuite is that it actually checks the DNS records and brings up your domain name provider. But here I'm going to show you if it doesn't verify in that way, I'm going to walk you through creating the TXT record for your domain. So here I'm going to go into my account and go into DNS settings, and this happens to be GoDaddy, and I'm going to create a TXT record. GSuite is going to give me the value. It's called a value. I'm going to copy the value and I'm going to paste it in as a TXT record. And this will work for anywhere that you have your domain name purchased through. So this is why I wanted to show you that. You'll select the CNAME. The host field will have the @ button. It'll point to the value that Google gives you. And then after about 30 minutes, it should verify your domain. And now the final step, step 4, in setting all this up and actually getting your email up and running, is after you see the screen that the domain has been successfully verified, now you need to actually pick the right plan. And so you can go GSuite Business, which is $12 per user per month, GSuite Basic, which is $6 per user per month, or Enterprise. And so in this video example, I selected the GSuite Basic, which is $6 per user per month. And you can see that you are now into your GSuite admin dashboard, and you can begin receiving and sending emails from the email address that you have set up, like I am showing you on my screen right now. So it's a multi-step process, but this is how to set up a G Suite Google business email address. This has been your data-driven daily tip. For more free digital marketing tips, go to dataoveropinions.com. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at data-driven-design. Subscribe on YouTube, youtube.com/Paul Hickey. And I would highly, highly encourage you to build voice apps from the back end of your WordPress admin dashboard using our WordPress plugin, The Voice Designer. Go to thevoicedesigner.com. This is how you can build Alexa skills and Google Actions directly from your WordPress admin dashboard. Also, don't forget that you don't even have to log into Google Analytics anymore to check your web data. You can just ask Alexa. For more information on this, go to askdatadrivendesign.com. Thanks and have a great day.